Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the best in beauty so you can make informed decisions. Today, we're talking about a lipstick that promises both bold color and skincare benefits. Dior's Rouge Forever Liquid Matte in the shade Forever Famous. If you're a fan of liquid matte lipsticks that deliver stunning, long-lasting color while keeping your lips hydrated, then this might just be the one you've been looking for. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in. The Dior Rouge Forever Liquid Matte Lipstick is marketed as a weightless, radiant, and long-wearing product. Coming in a sleek 0.2 ounce tube, it claims to offer intense, high-impact color with a comfortable feel. But what's truly interesting about this lipstick is that it's designed not only to deliver a bold matte finish, but also to improve the overall quality of your lips by making them feel softer and more supple. A liquid matte lipstick with skincare benefits? That's certainly a bold claim, but how does it actually perform? Let's talk about the formula first. Dior has included ingredients that aim to nourish your lips while providing intense pigmentation. The texture is weightless, as promised, and it goes on smooth without feeling sticky or drying, which is a big win for a matte lipstick. Unlike some matte forms that can leave your lips feeling parched, the Rouge Forever Liquid Matte gives that soft, supple finish. Even after hours of wear, my lips didn't feel tight or uncomfortable. I tested this lipstick throughout the day, and let me tell you, it truly holds up. I applied it in the morning, and by lunchtime, the color was still vibrant, with minimal transfer. The true test came during dinner, and I was amazed to find that it still looked fresh, only a slight fade around the inner lip. This longevity is key for anyone who needs a lipstick that stays put through long meetings, dates, or even a busy day of errands. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the pro side, this lipstick is incredibly easy to apply. The doe foot applicator is shaped to hug the contours of your lips, making it super precise so you won't have to worry about mess or uneven edges. The color payoff is outstanding, with one layer providing full coverage that doesn't need to be built up. It's also transfer resistant, which means no worrying about getting lipstick on your coffee cup or smudging throughout the day. The cons? While the formula is comfortable for a matte lipstick, it's not entirely budge-proof. It does fade slightly with eating and drinking, but that's a small price to pay for such a lightweight feel. The other downside is the price. At around $40 for 0.2 oughts, it's definitely on the high-end side. However, considering the high-quality formula and the added benefit of improving lip health, it could be worth the splurge for those looking for a luxury matte option. In terms of value for money, the Dior Rouge Forever Liquid Matte is certainly not the most affordable lipstick out there, but you're paying for a brand known for luxury and innovation. It also delivers on its promise to improve lip quality over time, which isn't something you get from every lipstick. If you're a makeup lover who wants both performance and skincare benefits, this could be a worthwhile investment. Now, are there any alternatives? Well, if you're looking for something a little more budget-friendly, there are a number of great matte liquid lipsticks that offer similar color payoff without the hefty price tag. For example, brands like Maybelline and L'Oreal offer liquid matte formulas that last just as long, though they may not have the same nourishing benefits as Dior's version. In terms of build quality, this lipstick's sleek packaging feels luxurious in the hand, which is exactly what you'd expect from a high-end product. The design is classic Dior, and the formula lives up to the brand's reputation for high-quality cosmetics. While the price is certainly a consideration, the product feels like it will last quite a while, so it's not likely to be something you'll need to replace frequently. If you've had experience with Dior's customer service, you know they take pride in offering excellent support, from fast shipping to prompt responses. While I haven't had to interact with them on this specific product, Dior's reputation speaks for itself in terms of customer care. In conclusion, the Dior Rouge Forever Liquid Matte in Forever Famous is a standout product in the liquid lipstick market. If you're someone who values both performance and skincare benefits, this lipstick ticks both boxes. The vibrant, long-lasting color is ideal for those who need their makeup to last all day, and the added benefits to your lips make it more than just a pretty color. It's a luxury product, so it's not for everyone, But if you're willing to invest in a high-quality lipstick, this one delivers. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our honest beauty reviews. Your support helps us keep making content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, drop your comments below if you've tried this lipstick or have any questions. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.